Hello everyone, and welcome back to another advanced biology session. Today, we're exploring population growth curves. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how populations grow, but also how different environmental factors shape their patterns of expansion or collapse. Let's get in. Population growth curves are graphical illustrations that show how populations increase or decrease over time. There are two key types we'll discuss: the S-shaped, sigmoid growth curve, where growth stabilizes over time; the J-shaped growth curve, where growth continues rapidly until an abrupt crash. These curves help ecologists predict population trends, resource needs, and the impact of environmental changes. Let's start with the S-shaped growth curve, also known as the logistic growth curve. Here's what happens. First, there's slow initial growth. This is the lag phase, where a small population is adapting to its new environment. Then, we see a rapid increase in numbers as reproduction accelerates. This is the exponential phase. As resources become limited, like food, water, or space, growth slows down, leading to a plateau. Eventually, birth rate equals death rate and the population stabilizes. This is called zero population growth. This growth pattern is density dependent, meaning population growth is regulated by the amount of available resources and population density. We can break the S-shaped curve into 5 distinct phases. Phase A, slow growth. The population is small and individuals are adapting. Phase B, rapid growth. With adaptation complete, reproduction soars. Phase C, growth slows due to resource competition. Phase D, stable phase. Population size remains constant as births match deaths. Phase E, decline phase. If resources dwindle or environmental conditions worsen, the death rate exceeds the birth rate. This model closely reflects what happens in real ecosystems under resource constraints. Now, let's talk about the J-shaped growth curve, also known as the exponential growth curve. It begins with a short lag phase, just like the S-curve. Then the population grows exponentially, fast and uncontrolled. But here's the difference. There's no gradual slowing. Instead, growth stops abruptly due to environmental limits. This curve is density independent, meaning the population isn't limited by density or resource competition until something external causes a population crash. Examples include seasonal breeding insects, algae blooms, or bacterial populations in a nutrient-rich medium. So what causes a population crash? Let's look at a few examples. Seasonality. Some species experience boom and bust cycles tied to the seasons. For instance, locusts may explode in number during rainy seasons and crash during drought. End of breeding cycles. Species like salmon reproduce once and then die, leading to sudden declines. Human intervention. Activities like deforestation, hunting, pollution, or pesticide use can cause sudden drops in population. Life cycle completion. In plants, such as annuals, the population may die off after seed production, ending that generational cycle. These crashes are crucial moments in ecological systems and are often followed by population recovery or extinction. To summarize, S-shaped curves represent populations that grow and then stabilize due to environmental limits. J-shaped curves represent populations that grow rapidly and collapse suddenly, often due to external shocks. Understanding these curves helps scientists forecast changes in biodiversity, manage conservation efforts, and even model human population trends. If this video helped clarify these concepts, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Stay curious, and see you in the next lesson.